Valparaiso today. We're in a bus station. It's just right next or on the metro station.
Yeah, it's very convenient that they put those little bus terminals right next to the subway.
It's gonna take us about an hour for less than 2 hours. So we took the one that is direct, so there's no stops. The other one has 1 or 2 stops. We're on the bus, and it's a very similar bus to the one we took in Peru.
Yeah.
Same kind of sleeper bus. We're gonna be riding it only for less than 2 hours. Not gonna be sleeping. Maybe capable.
Yes.
So yeah, the seats, you have this thing over here. You can actually rest your feet.
And a lever so you can relax your.
I can't show you much last time on the bus because it was really dark.
Yeah. Well, we were taking like the overnight buses. Okay, so far we're only sitting.
Yeah.
Hopefully the roads are better than in Peru.
Oh, 100% hopefully.
We'll find out.
We're at one of the beach in Vina del Mar. You can see behind us. We got here from Valparaiso, so we took that subway. We had to pay based on distance and also on the time.
Time slot, yeah.
Yeah, so we had to scan it twice. Scan it on the way in, and then scan it on the way out. I guess they tag.
For the distance.
Yeah, I guess they tag you when you get in, and then they charge you when you get out for the distance. We walked a little bit. How many was that? 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Along the shore, past the casino, and now we pass all those shores. We are now
At the beach.
at the sandy area of the beach. So there's a lot of people.
There is some people. I wouldn't call it a lot for a beach. And it is Tuesday.
We really did avoid coming here on the weekend
Yeah, on purpose. Most likely will be more crowded for people enjoying their weekend. We knew it must be cooler because it's by the waterfront, but we didn't expect it to be basically 10 degrees cooler than Santiago.
We'll still go to the beach.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But I don't know how warm or
The
cold
water.
the water will be.
Especially for you, because you don't like the sudden drop of temperature.
Yeah, it's freezing! Holy crap, the water's freezing.
It is.
We just got the wave in our feet.
Yeah.
And I'm like shivering right now. I can't believe how many people actually in the water. It's freezing.
I guess they are used to the water temperature here. No, like it is cold. The water is definitely cold.
Well, I guess you can fish off this pier if you want to.
Seems
But
like it.
the wave looks quite strong.
Yeah, especially like at the edge of the beach, it's like the waves are pretty big.
Yeah, this,
Like further down, it doesn't seem as much, unlike in Lima. But like at the beach itself, it's quite strong.
well, there's certain times where the wave was quite big that it went all the way up to the smooth area there and then spraying us. So. So we're heading to
Valparaiso.
So we're
Pullman Valparaíso, ingresan del 7. Pullman Valparaíso, ingresan del 7.